Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Remitly account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Recipients, Send, Rewards, and Manage. Tap on Manage on the bottom right corner, then scroll down. Under Remitly, you can see Privacy Choices, Legal Resources, About Us, then finally Sign Out. Go ahead and tap on Sign Out, then you will be able to sign out of your Remitly account. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign out of Remitly account on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.